So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to complete today's assignment, which is inches and centimeters measuring. So I'm going to be showing you how to estimate using those body benchmarks we discussed last week, and then measure each object with a ruler in both inches and centimeters. So I'm going to do number one with you. Obviously, your pencil is going to have a different measurement than mine, so you will still have to complete number one with your own pencil at home. But I want to give you an idea of how to complete this assignment. So on this side of the page, it says to estimate. That means you're guessing or you're giving a roundabout measurement of the item. So my pencil is about blank inches long, blank centimeters long. So I wouldn't use my ruler for this because we don't use our ruler for estimating. Like I said, we would use our body benchmark to estimate. So I remember that my knuckle, from knuckle to knuckle, this part here is an inch in length. So this part, when I close my finger like that, is about an inch. So I would use my finger to figure out how many inches this pencil is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 inches I am estimating in length. Now, I'm now going to estimate using centimeters. So this is something new today. So in order to measure or to estimate using centimeters, I would use the tip of my pointer finger, and then it's the width of that, to figure out how many centimeters the pencil would be. So I would line up my finger with the end of my pencil and move my finger along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I estimated about 12 centimeters in length. Now it's for the moment of truth though, because we move to the right-hand side of our paper and it says to measure. So I'm going to take the same exact pencil, not a different one, and I'm going to measure it first in inches and then in centimeters. So if we look at our ruler, you will see that one part says inches and the other side will say cm, which is short for centimeters. So I'm going to be using the inch part first in order to measure how many inches long my pencil is. So if I move this out a little bit, I'm going to put this so that it's very clear. So I would line up my pencil, the end of my pencil, with the 0 mark on my inch side of the ruler. And then I would look and see where it ends. So I noticed that to the nearest whole inch, it's about 7 inches in length. So interesting that my body benchmark actually was spot on. This ruler is 7 inches in length, so my knuckle was correct. Now, we're going to figure the length of the pencil in centimeters. So I would do the same exact thing. I would line my pencil up with the 0, but now I would use the centimeters portion of my ruler. So I would flip it and line up the eraser of my pencil with the 0, and then check and see, what is the nearest whole centimeter that makes most sense for this pencil. So I see 18 centimeters. So I was a little off with my estimation because I had estimated about 12 centimeters using the tip of my finger, but it's actually about 18 centimeters, so it was a little off. So then I would go and answer the next question, but I'm not going to do this with you. I want you to think about it. I want you to circle the unit that gives you the larger number. Is it inches that gives you the larger number or centimeters? You would just circle whichever one it is. I would go ahead and do the same exercise with a book. Pick any book, but remember to estimate using your body benchmarks and measure the same exact item. You're going to do the same thing with a pair of scissors at home. If you do not have a pair of scissors at home, you can write a different object. For example, cross it out and write stapler. whatever it is. You still complete it even if you don't have scissors. Just find another object and measure the same object, estimate it, and then measure it. You then have question number 4, which says, which unit always gives you the larger number? And why do you think this happens? Make sure to utilize the text feature, the text box feature, so that you can type your answer into a text box, which is easier than trying to write digitally. Good luck on today's assignment, friends. Don't forget to line your item up with the 0 at the end of your ruler. Not the very tippy end, but where it says 0, because that's where the measurement starts for it to be accurate. Otherwise, you will not have an accurate measurement. And have fun while estimating and measuring today.